These popsicles can be used to remove face and body hair without strips. To use, microwave the pop for a few minutes until it melts into a thick wax. Then take the popsicle stick to apply the wax all over the body. Wait for the wax to harden and then pull it from the skin to remove the hair. This pen is filled with a water-soluble wax perfect for waxing your upper lip, chin, and brows. The twist-up applicator makes it easy to control where and how much you apply. Also, it's heat-free, so there's no need to worry about facial burns. This Pearl Wax at-home waxing kit comes with a wax heater, wax beans, and wooden spatulas. Pearl wax is applied to the skin at room temperature, so burns are unlikely to occur. The wax hardens by itself and can be pulled off the skin with no strips or cloth. It also can be used on any part of the body, including the face and bikini line. This is a portable electric hair removal kit that promises painless waxing. It uses hard wax, which isn't sticky and only clings to the hair, not the skin. You can apply the wax with the spatula and pull it directly off your body to remove the hair. You can even use this wax inside your nose. For best results, use this to remove longer hair.